Back with another earbud review on the Skullcandy Dime XT2 earbuds. Originally 30, now about 25. I'm going to show some battery length statistics on the screen here if you want to pause. Now to the unboxing. I saw these at the store on sale for about $24 and I wanted to get them just because I couldn't believe that they could make wireless earbuds this cheap. $24 for this small of a package. Just wanted to check it out and show you guys what I think. Here in the case we have a USB micro cord, a little lanyard loop that fits on the headphone case, and then here's the headphone case wrapped in plastic. The case is a little bit hard to open. You're going to have to pry it open. Then it clicks open. And the earbuds look pretty good. The earbuds stick out of the case in those holes there. And then here's the packaging with some QR codes. I'm going to take off these little stickers on these earbuds. The case is a little bit smaller than the AirPods Pro case, which I like, and definitely smaller than the Bose QC2 buds, which are really big. I just want to point out the QC2 buds did not have wireless charging, yet is a gigantic case still. The lanyard loop on this case is kind of fun. I just really like this case. They did a really nice job with it. Here's some crisp audio. Moving on to the Skullcandy app, these earbuds do connect to the Skullcandy app and they claim to have specialized audio. So I thought I'd check it out and see what kind of EQ settings they offer. When you pull up the app, it's pretty easy to connect them. It'll look for them and connect relatively quickly. I sped it up. In the app, you can see the firmware version and your serial number. You can have my serial number. I've already registered it. These earbuds offer tile support though, so you can find them with the Tile app, which I thought was kind of crazy. For $24, you also get a little tile with these little earphones. So you pull up the app, look for Skullcandy, hit Dime series, and then it'll show you how to activate it. You open the case and then pull out the earbud and hit the button on the stem, and it activates the tile for that earbud. And then you need to do the other side. Pretty simple here. And then in the Tile app, you can see how close you are to the earbuds if you lose them. A very nice feature to have. Back to the app, if you scroll down once they connect again, it takes a second to connect each time you open the app, you can adjust the volume, and then you can also set up your personalized sound, which I think is pretty gimmicky. They have you do this hearing test, which has this awful noise that you hit this button every time you hear the beeping. And once you go through this exercise, it takes forever, by the way, you can turn it off or on. And essentially, I think all they're doing here is turning on like a bass boost and a treble boost. And if you turn off this setting, it just kind of sounds like a very flat earbud, which is okay. It definitely sounds better with it on, in my opinion, but very bassy. This earbud has USB micro charging, and the cable it comes with is reversible. Where has this been my whole life? The USB micro cord that's reversible? Why didn't they just come out with this for everything? Very nice to have around. I've never had one of these cords, but thank you, Skullcandy. I will mention there's no wireless charging for this case, but the new Bose buds also did not have wireless charging for some reason, so that's okay. Also, no quick charging for these earbuds. I'm going to show you guys the different earbud tips they have and how to change them out. Pretty simple. You just yank them off and then stick them back on. I really appreciate how strong the magnets are for these buds into the case. They really snap in. and stay in, which is nice compared to the AirPod Pros. If you shake the case or drop them, the buds pop out and fly everywhere. These have really strong magnets, which is appreciated. Everyone loves a strong magnet, right? Here's a little demo of me abusing the AirPod Pro, showing you how easily they fall out when you flick them and drop them. Overall, I really like these earbuds. The sound's about a 6 out of 10 for me. For $24 though, maybe they're a 10. I can't tell for this package. It's a great little package to give to somebody. For a first pair of earbuds, these would be great to give like a teenager who will probably lose them at some point, or get nicer ones in the future, or just have a backup earbud in general. Here is a demo of the microphone for these earbuds. I'll be switching over to it in 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is an example of the Skullcandy Dime XT2 microphone. I am outside testing the microphone with my iPhone. I think it'll sound pretty good actually. I was really surprised how good the microphone example was when I first tested this, so it'll be interesting to listen to this back. I just listened to that recording and I think it sounds pretty good. This is another example with this same microphone and these earbuds. These were only $25. It's insanely good for $25. Thanks for joining my review. Please consider subscribing to my channel, ChonkyAudio. Thanks, y'all.